is Nicholas Brown. I attend Full Sail University, and I am in George Stewart's physics class. The time 1:15 to 5. The purpose of this video is for me to show you how a circuit works, and the title of the experiment is called HOT. So I hope you enjoy it. For the following experiment, you'll need the following materials. You'll need one AA battery, some aluminum foil, some scissors, and a ruler. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do is get yourself a piece of aluminum foil. You're gonna need a marker like so, and you're gonna need a ruler, or if you don't have a ruler, you can use a tape measure, which is what I'm gonna use. And the first thing that you want to do is measure out your aluminum strip that you're going to use, and it needs to be 6 inches by 1 inch. So measure 6 inches long. And then you want to measure 1 inch wide. And then draw your line. Then you want to take your scissors and cut that out. Now what you have is a piece of aluminum foil that's 6 inches long and 1 inch thick. The next thing that you want to do is take this strip and fold it 3 times. So you're gonna, or 2 times, sorry. You're gonna fold it once, and then you're gonna fold the strip again in half. And then what you have is this piece right here, which is just a thin 6-inch piece of aluminum, which we're going to use as our wire in this experiment. The next thing that you want to do is take your battery, and then using one hand, you're going to take your conductor, or your wire here, your 6-inch strip, place one on one end of the battery, place the other end on the other end of the battery. But before I do that, you want to make sure that the strip doesn't stay pressed onto the battery for any longer than 10 seconds, because it's going to heat up, or we're going to see if it's going to heat up actually. So you want to press down and hold the strip, and you can feel it heating up. Okay, so in that experiment, what we did was we made pretty much a single circuit. We used the battery for the power, and then we used the aluminum for the wire, and you connect the two together, and the result is the wire gets hot. Well, why does the wire get hot? When you touch the wire to both ends of the battery, it provides a pathway for electrons to travel, which is also known as an electric circuit. The electrons move out of the negative end of the battery through the wire, or through the aluminum, which is what we use as our wire, and then from there they move back into the positive end of the battery. The movement of the electrons going from the negative end through the wire through the battery keeps on going on over and over and over again, and the faster these electrons move, what happens is heat's generated, And as you can tell from the experiment, if you try it, that wire heats up, and the reason why the wire heats up is because of the movement of the electrons moving from the negative end through the wire or the aluminum back into the positive end of the battery, back through the battery, back out the negative end, and it just keeps on going around.